Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today I want to show you some tips and techniques for our new cling stamp sets. This is what they look like when you get them. They look just like the clear mounts, and in fact you can use them as clear mounts. Most of us didn't put the stickers on the clear mounts, at least I didn't. And they stick just the same as, they have just the same backing as the clear mounts without the stickers. And they'll stick right there, just like that. But they also have the cling mount, which is this. This is their stickers. Their stickers are cling base. Okay, so I want to show you how to put them on and a few little tips and techniques. Okay, I've got this one started. They come like this, and you will notice, let me see if you can see. You'll notice that on one side, the shiny side, they split. They'll peel off, split. So what you want to do, and they're also, you can use this and rehook them up there, because you really don't want to leave them on here because they'll stick forever. Okay, so you're going to take off one of the ones that you want, peel off the white backing as usual. And again, you can use that just like that if you want. Or what you're going to do is you're going to come over here. Let's get down a little bit and see if, okay. You're going to take off one side and you're going to take off the other side. And then don't take that out, don't take that from that. First of all, it gets stuck all over the place. Second of all, you're not going to have a backing on it, have a sticker on. So then you just lay it, see? Yeah. And you don't have a backing on it because it will pull everything off. And that was just a slight drop. I usually do it standing up so I can see where I'm going. And that's what I tried to do, but I dropped it before I stood up. Okay, I just pulled all the sticky off of this one. See, oh, see, right like that. So I'm just going to try to put it on right like this. So don't do what I just did. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to put that one right back in there because it is sticky. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this right. So you saw how not to do it. Let's see how to do it. I'm taking the little pine trees, and I'm standing up this time. Just like that. And then I am just going to line this up like that. And then what you can do is you can peel the whole thing off just like that. Okay, now you want to do that for all of them. Now when you put them on, okay, when you put them on here, you don't want to try to rip them off, or you'll do like what I did there. You will rip this off and leave the sticker. So a couple of things you want to try. This is tip number one. You want to just lift the edge. Now the pick to just get underneath one of the edges and lift it up. Let's see. There we go. And then slowly lift the whole thing up. But another thing to do is you're going to take a piece of washi tape We all have washi tape because we really don't use it when we buy it, because it's beautiful just sitting there and we don't want to use it, and because it falls off. But this is, you're just going to take a piece of washi tape, and what you're going to do is you're going to put it over a corner, okay, just like that. And it's still going to stay on. No matter what, it's still going to stay on, and you're going to stamp, but then you're just going to pick up on that corner that you got your washi tape and slowly lift it off. You don't want to rip it off really fast or anything like that. You want to do a slow, slow, slow lift. And then you're going to put it back here. The reason you're putting it all back on here is because, I told you, especially if you don't use your stamps a lot and you stick them on this, which is perfect because they won't go anyplace, or put them in here, you just don't want to do that. You're just, they're going to stay on there, and sooner or later you're going to rip the foam off of them. So here's another one I'm doing, standing up, just lining that sucker up. Okay. And you can use the foam stuff. You can use this foam to, then I'll show you how once. Well, I'll show you how. Okay, and again, I'm just putting this on, and I am just like that. So when you're done and everything's like this, all you have to do is see this supposedly lines up perfectly. And you can put that in there and then just put it back. Well, why isn't it? My other one's lined up perfectly. This one's not lining up perfectly. There. So you know where they are, or you can just use it. Do not take them off of this, though. Do not just take them off and place them on your ones, because what will happen is after a while they will stick on really heavily. And I'm just going to put a piece of tape there. I'm going to put a piece of washi tape here. So for Tips and Techniques Tuesday and how to use and stamp and camp with Mary, this is how to use the new cling stamps that you can start ordering January 3rd. Thanks for visiting. Oh, subscribe there, and all of my information is down below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.